This is the guided practice for 9.1. On these, we want to find the area of a parallelogram. Okay, so you have a parallelogram in number 1. This side and this side are parallel, and this side with this side are parallel. Parallelogram has two sides that are parallel. Okay, and the formula to find area is area equals base times height. So this right here, this angle is not the height. You got to start at the base. Here's the base, and then you go straight up. That gets you the height. There's your height, there's your base. So area equals, my base is, and this is 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 1, 2. 2. And area equals 12. So it's 12. And each one of these is a unit. And when you do area, it's squared. 12 unit squared. That's your area. Okay. Let's go to number 2. We know our formula. Area equals base times height. My base is right here. Area equals 10 times, this right here is my height, 5. Area equals 50, and it's feet. So it's 50 feet squared, because the area tells you how many little squares are inside. Okay, and it's 50 of them. Let's go to number 3. Okay, area equals base times height. Okay, now the height has to go right from one base to the other. They could have done a line like here, making sure that's a right angle, and this could be 7m. But they decided to go outside it and then straight up. Okay, this you don't need. That's not the height at all. So I have my base of 11 from here to here. Area equals 11 times my height is here to here, 7. Area equals 77, and it's meters, and they're squared. 77 meters squared. Okay, let's do number 4 here. Find the height of a parallelogram if its base. Okay, so this time we're finding the height. Area equals base times height. So we want to find the height. This is what we want to find. If the base is 35, okay, I'm going to put 35 there, times my height equals the area of 700. So it's 700 equals 35 times the height of h. And we want to find this height, so we just do our algebra that we know. We got to get the height all by itself. It's 35 times h, so let's divide each side by 35. Divide this by 35. You can do that on your calculator, and when you do, you get 20 centimeters. Now this is just the height. It's the height, so it's just 20 centimeters. It's not square. That's only area. The area is squared, but the height is just 20 centimeters. Okay, let's look at 5 here. The size of the parallelogram piece in a set of tangograms is shown at the right. Find the area. Okay, area equals base times height. This looks like my base. And from here to here, would be this one. That's my height. So area equals 2.6. Area equals base, which is 2.6, times height, which is 5.1. And when you multiply those together, you get 13.26. It's centimeters, and because this is the area, it's squared. All right? So that's the guided practice for 9.1.